Greetings. This lecture is about the Western Sudanic civilizations. The Western Sudanic civilizations were, in fact, mercantilistic societies located in the western portion of the continent of Africa. The Western Sudanic civilizations consisted of Ghana, Mali, and Songhai. Ghana prevailed from 900 to 1100 CE, Mali from 1230 to 1468 CE, and Songhai from 1464 through 1591 CE, CE referencing Common Era. Ghana was the earliest known Western Sudanic state. During the 10th century, the Ghanaian Empire emerged. Of course, it was a tremendous empire, one which grew rich from trading gold, salt, and enslaved Africans. The capital was a mighty, mighty center of trading and learning known as Kumbi Sali. Once again, it traded in gold, salt, enslaved people, and also tariffs. Kumbi Sali fell to a fanatical Islamic group known as the El Moravites. This led to the sacking of Kumbi Sali by the Soso king known as Suma Guru. The fall of Ghana led to the rise of Mali, the empire. After Suma Guru, the Soso king, sacked Kumbi Sali, he attacked the Mandinka people who occupied fertile land near the source of West Africa's gold supply. Reportedly, he put to death all of the king's sons but one. The one who survived was crippled and seemingly weak. Sundiata is his name. Sundiata Keita overcame his illness, rallied his troops, and eventually defeated and killed Suma Guru, the king of the Soso people, in 1235 CE. By 1240, the Sun King, Sundiata Keita, took control of the gold roots and annexed what was left of Ghana. His capital was named Niani. It was the beginning of the great Mali Empire. Its economy was based on agriculture, gold trading, tariffs, and yes, the enslavement of people and the trading of those people. After Sundiata died in 1255, he was replaced by Mansa Uli, who was not as strong a king as Sundiata Keita. And soon, after a series of weak kings, emerged a man named Abu Bakri. Abu Bakri in 1310 CE departed the kingdom of Mali and sailed across the Atlantic Ocean to what is the Caribbean, predating the birth of Christopher Columbus by over 100 years. After Abu Bakri departed, he was replaced in 1312 by the greatest of the Mali kings, Mansa Musa. What were the major centers in Mali during Mansa Musa's reign? Those centers became Timbuktu, Gao, and Janneh. More importantly, Mansa Musa became a Muslim ruler. He became a devout Muslim and created an Islamic society within Mali. Mansa Musa went on what is known as a Hajj and became the most powerful man in Africa and among the richest men in the world. In 1468, Sunni Ali of Songhai captured Timbuktu, and in 1473, he captured and sacked Janneh, effectively ending Mali's powerful 400-year reign. Songhai then emerged as the next great power in West Africa. According to many scholars, the kingdom of Songhai became a royal power during the middle 15th century. The kings of Songhai were known as Askias. There were three powerful Askias or kings. The first was Sunni Ali. The second, Askia Muhammad Ture. The third, Askia Daoud. Three very strong and influential kings of Songhai. The economy of Songhai was based on gold, salt, tariffs, and agriculture. But there was a fifth primary and effective way or means by which the Songhai people became economically independent, and that was the trading of books and scholarly materials. The major centers in Songhai were Gao, Timbuktu, and Janneh. Yes, the great king, the great Askia, Muhammad Ture, Askia Muhammad Ture, also ventured on a Hajj, and like Mansa Musa before him, spread wealth throughout the Islamic kingdoms of Africa as well as Saudi Arabia, and became a very significant ruler and also a very significant wealthy man. It's also important to note that there is a scholar named Ahmad Baba who was as instrumental a person in Songhai as were the great Askias. The fall of the Songhai Empire was brought about by an invasion of the Moroccans. The Moroccans sacked and destroyed Songhai. In particular, it attacked and destroyed Timbuktu. At that point, the Askia was Daoud. Under Daoud's rule, Songhai's great influence as an empire came to an end. It is also important to recognize that with the end of Songhai came the influences of Portugal and Spain. In addition to that, the introduction of the gun and other European inventions helped to bring about the end of the West African mercantilistic societies.